Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAKD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, overall, the pattern and everything is hanging in there, so let me get these lines extended out. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video previously, but even if you didn't, I'll explain these lines here. But overall, we have this pattern here, and the price has not violated to the downside, but the problem is, and the issue is, the price did actually make a nice move up, but surprise, surprise, wouldn't you know it, look right where it got. Actually, let me zoom in here. So you can see that a little bit better. There we go. But you can see right there, price made a big move up, and the price literally got rejected right at that resistance trend line. Now, the good news is that after the rejection occurred, it's not like the price rolled back over and then just blasted to the downside of that trend line of the lower part. At that point, that would have been a very bearish situation and not a good situation at all. But that's not what happened. So, to look at the glass is at least half full. At least the price is still maintaining within that trend line right there. So keep an eye on that. It does keep the falling wedge pattern alive, which is a bullish pattern. And now I get it, that may sound like a bearish pattern, but yeah, a rising wedge is actually the bearish one. But point here being that as long as the price stays above that green line, that keeps the pattern in play. And that's why it's very important, because if the price breaks and shatters down to the downside, well, at that point, the pattern's no longer in play. And that's just, everything that, is being talked about right now pretty much goes to the wayside. So continue to watch that very closely. But yeah, you got to like the chance that if it can get above that trend line, I'm not saying it shoots straight up to 62 cents, but there's a lot of traders out there watching this falling wedge and call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. When certain levels are broken, they can definitely create some nice upwards movements. So we'll see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.